Pegasus Grind here. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bind left-click to wheel up and down. Binding left-click to wheel will have a huge effect on your daily browsing and your overall gaming experience in many games. First, you download this program. Portable or not, it does the same work. Please use only the legit site to download this. All links are in description. After download, unzip it and double-click on it, and follow the installation path. You can choose if you want to be installed on a specific folder, or you can leave it empty and click Next. Click Finish and run the program. This window will pop up. Here you just change the wheel up and down to left-click and then just click Apply. If you can't apply changes, click on Save Profile, save the file somewhere in your PC, and then load the profile. If you want to deactivate the binding for a while, you can right-click on it and choose Disable.